By default, there is no method to add a link to the containers in Wix Studio. Like if you select the container here, you don't see any link options in the menu or the options here. But there's a very easy method that you can use to add a link to this container. To do that, you have to go to the code here, start the coding, and in the description, you will find a link where you can get all the codes to add a link to the containers. All you have to do is copy the link and paste it right here like this. In the code, you have to write the element ID of your container. So you can select the container here, and this will be your element ID. You can also change the ID here, like this one. Right. So now this container is connected to this page about us. And if you want to change the page, like if you want to send the link to this new page, you can go to the SEO basics and copy the slug of this page. Go back to the code and replace the about us with the slug of your page. Now, if I go to my test site and click on the container, it goes to the new page as you can see right here. There are some more variations to the link, like this one here has the query parameters. So if you want to send the container to, let's say, a product category, you can also do that. You have to just copy the slug of your category page and paste it as it is. You can add more parameters in your query. You can also add external links like this one. Just copy and paste it right here. So this one goes to the example.com. So this one goes to the example.com. Then we have the document. So you can add any link to your Wix Media or any external document as well that will download that image, video, or documents. You can also add a email client. So you can add it like this. You can add the email address, your email address, and the subject right here. Similarly, you can also add a phone call. So clicking the container will open the default phone calling manager. But yeah, this is how you can add a link to the container. The link to the codes is in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.